What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And there is a game called Chainsaw Run. And you probably know what it's gonna be. It's called Chainsaw Head Run. And I probably know what it's a ripoff of. Chainsaw Man. So, let's get into it. Oh, bro. Alright, Chainsaw Head Run. Oh, we got 2 chainsaw heads. 3 chainsaw heads.
Here we have to merge different shit to get a powerful monster. This guy looks powerful enough. Let's make another
Chainsaw Man!
Freak you are. Okay, you look even worse.
There was another Chainsaw Man! What's about Chainsaw Man today?
Ready?
How much money we got? Alright.
This is the difference between a pro and a noob in Lonely Survivor. A noob will run around with a low-level... They won't upgrade their weapons and will also against the attackers. Don't be a pro, on the other hand, will choose a powerful starting move. Like
God would sue a control.
from eliminating the waves of attackers. Once it's sit back and relax. Will you be a pro or a noob? Download.
How many ads? Alright. Merge. New character, Chainsaw Green Guy. Alright guys, let's merge these guys. New character, Chainsaw Purple Guy. Oh guys, let's shoot a gunhead. Pro. There's so many ads. How many ads are there? Oh my God. So many ads. We won. We won. We won. That was not funny. Bro.
Ready?
Boom. 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 Saw head. Don't you dare give me another ad. Oh! Kill him, kill him. Bro, they be shooting at us. There's so many ads. I don't recommend this game. There's just too many ads, guys. Ow! Eyes. There's too many ads. Please just get me out of this.
Ready?
Attack! 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 Bruh, what did he say? Yeah! We won, and they're all laying on the ground. Bro, we got the best. Bro, we got so many coins now, bro. Alright, boom. Alright, block him. Oh, where they at? Cha, 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 down, 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 down.
Ready?
Contestants, wrestle. Yo. Yeah. Attack! Shoot them, shoot them. Attack!
Recently found this game. Just look what's happening now. Send one to hell heaven. Pull them out of trees and bushes. That's creepy. So much fun.
Alright, pull him out. Oh, please, I don't want to be pulled out. Oh. Alright, guys. Oh my God. Boom! We threw our chainsaw guys at him. Hey, why are we throwing ourselves at him?
The town is trembling before
Hey!
the siren head. You can't dawdle. You need to call an entire army to fight this foe. Trained soldiers with guns, armored tanks with cannons, even...
You know, I played this game before, and I'm going to do that for a video.
giant walking mecha fighters.
I'm still exhausted from when my dad came in and went. Fight! Stinky! 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 Oh my God, guys, we're so bad at the game. Slay, girl, slay. I'm gonna focus, guys, and please don't make fun of my focusing face, but bruh,
Ready?
Oh, I didn't mean to press fight. We're gonna lose. No, kill him, murder him, murder. Kill him, murder him. Ah! Stop! I want the boulder to hit the king. I'm done. Plus 15 plus 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus all of my things.
And how you don't know how to keep your business.
Yo, turn this off. Ah! There you go. Now I'm not canceled. Go after him! Slay him! How can bro even get in these dumb situations? Bubba? We keep on dying! Alright, get 10. Minus 5. Minus 3. Minus 2. I said emotional damage. This is the most we've ever gotten. I have 2 front teeth, and I'm gonna bite every single one of these creators' heads off with those 2 teeth. Yay! Yeah. Bruh. What? Wow! 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 Yay! Um. Hey! Yes. This is the most we've ever got. Bro, why you always? No.
Ready?
There we go. Fight! No! Stop! Madness! Combat! No! No, please!
Ready?
We gotta get better shooters, guys. I accidentally pressed the fighter! Guys, we're gonna lose. You don't know how I know? Because of this. Why? Why am I always wrong? Everything else about me is always... Oh, bro. Why? Bro. No! No! This is the most we've ever gotten.
My Talking Tom 2 is so much fun, but my favorite part is the mini games. Like Space Trails, where you're playing a game inside of a game.
They go
and you fly through space
home.
collecting fuel.
Do you know
And
why?
you have a longer tail behind
Go
your
buy Sneak.io! It's literally the same thing!
Ready?
Oh my... No, please don't give me an ad. Okay. It be trying to... Oh my god, just let me swipe. Yes. 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 My clones. Shoot until you die. Yes! Shoot! 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 Shoot!
I've been playing
How many ads? How many ads?
for 10 days too. I've got several 5-star specialized ads. I'm now number 1.
How many ads? Yo! Bye, bro. Oh. No! Oh! And that's why you don't play around acting like an ad, because then it will actually happen. I'm gonna act like a statue for this round. It's just the same ad. Bro. Bro. Care for me, official music video be like, oh, please don't care for me, don't care. Oh, yeah, don't care for me. We got to win! Yes, what's our new? What? What's our new? Another song. Oh, bro, look at his hands. Bro, he's gonna pack a punch. Go! Wait. Bro, how many? We did it! Well, guys, we reached level 10. And we beat it. We beat level 10, guys. That will be the end for today's video, guys. Skip it about.